guys, it's hot as balls outside, so we are about to go do some arts and crafts in the house. So guys, today is Wednesday. It is July 2nd. It is currently 95 degrees outside, guys, and I'm not leaving out the house. Well, I'm obviously outside the house right now, but that's because we're about to do something inside the house, and I just needed some more items. Yesterday, guys, I went to go get a flip phone from Walmart, and I'm gonna bedazzle it today. I did get a little bit of like rhinestones and stuff from Walmart yesterday, but they didn't have a lot of stuff, so we are in Michael's trying to find some like cool little charms and stuff to add on there. I'm so excited, y'all. It's 4th of July weekend coming up. I'm taking my flip phone outside. Everybody gonna be tired of me pulling it out. I don't care. Should I get some pearls? They have like little mini pearls. I might get some of these just cause why not? Let me try to figure out where the actual stuff that I need is at, and then I'll pick the camera back up. I think I'm gonna need one of these to place the rhinestones on, or like move it around. I think I'm gonna need these. So I'm gonna get this. I really don't know what I'm going for yet, so I'm just kind of picking up a little bit of everything that I like. These are pretty cute. I'm trying to find some smaller ones though, guys. And I think this is all just glitter and stuff, so let me keep walking and looking, and then we'll see what else we find. Alright, y'all, I found some of these, which I'm gonna get because I needed some small ones. They got a lot of options in here. This is cute. What they got going on? We got some of these. I'm gonna do these too because I gotta take my glasses off. I like these too. I like the color of these, but they're too big. Like, I wish they had some in this size. I don't know what we're going for. I'm just gonna grab some stuff and see what we got. I think I'm actually gonna get this one because it's cheaper and it's cuter. Alright, y'all, I'm back at the house. I got all my things for my flip phone. This is my flip phone right here, y'all. I'm setting it up right now. Why you can get Wi-Fi on here? Like, that's low-key raw. So that's what we got going on right now. I'm about to just turn it on real quick, and then we'll get to the blinging out. And hold on, because I need 2 hands for this, I think. Alright, y'all. Nigga. Before I bedazzle my phone, I'm trying to set my ringtone. I was gonna do Did It on them first, but I want to do Lollipop by Lil Wayne. Cats really piss me off. Now, let me try it one more time, y'all, because it's low. Yeah, okay. Now we gonna save as ringtone, default save. And then I'm gonna just go back and delete this one. Okay. Let's hear it. It's just low. Oops, I declined it. Get off me. So that's our ringtone. let's get to Bedazzle.
Freaking you, is there a freak in you?
When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with
Okay,
no
so right here, I'm pretty much just kind of putting my placements down to see what I like, what I don't like, how I want the phone to be. And what you see here is not the outcome of how the phone actually turned out to be. I also forgot to record me finishing the phone, so yeah, just a disclaimer for the video.
Bitch, I be going in. Bitches clearly want my life and it's so evident. Cook, clean, and fuck 'em right. I'm so heaven sent. What I look like asking him about another bitch? Might tell you once, won't tell you twice. If post it up, we be alright. See, I gon' tell you.
I just want to pop in here and say that this is actually very hard and very tedious, you guys. So you're going to see me struggle in the video just a smidge. Please just disregard and just enjoy. Because if you guys try this on your own, you're going to realize this is very hard and very tedious. So, yeah.
When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots. I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Broken. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me. Whole tiny shit like 3 and 0. Twin. Missus can't be fucked with. Hoes ain't talking about nothing. Every time I look up, I'm the topic of discussion. I'm in a fast coupe. You in a bad mood. Funky bitch, you love your pussy in the bathroom. Ew. You gon' meet them halfway. I'm gon' meet them at the bank. I'm the type to make them wait. You the type to give it up. It's hard for me to give a fuck. You gon' let them plead his case. A bitch like me can't go for nothing. Huh? Know what's in my cup. When I leave the club, consider that nigga fuck. When you mention me, don't forget rich and fuck. Pussy squeaky clean, but I got junk up in the trunk. When a real one hold you down, babe, you supposed to drown. You ain't no fuck with no boss, bitch. I turned you out. You won't catch me in no shark boots. I burned them out. Bitch, you gotta wait till their birthday to go out of town. Broken. Yeah, I talk a lot of shit. He like who you think you is. Nigga, not your bitch. Broken. Nigga, not your hoe. Think he got one up on me. Whole tiny shit like 3 and 0. Twin. Broken. Broken.
High volume, high volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I got the money if you make you mine. If you're laughing every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I can make you mine. But I love you, plus I never make you mine. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love it every day. Diamond eyes, you use my money, I go back. For your love, I go back.
Y'all, I am truly struggling in this video with these damn lines, though. And like, I spent so long doing this one little spot. I literally thought I did so much in this video, and while I'm editing this video, I realized, look at this shit.
Make you sing to the mic. You are that looking in your eyes, show you many things you can utilize, If I say I love you, then I tell you like, show you everything when I get tonight, True that make you utilize, Yeah, when we dance, the way go revive, Give you many things, we could make you dance, Yeah, make you back up to the stand, mic. If his phone ring and he never call you back, you should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad, it ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. Think that I love you every day. Diamond eyes, you use my money, I go back. For your love, I go back. It ain't making money days. For you every day. When you go, run it back on You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italia, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she make it shake, breaking that bay till the bay break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for you. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex, and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no I never pressed decline. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policy, she can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for you. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
From your jaw, wind up your body, come me want you. Tight pussy, girl, cocky call you. Baby, this a what me want you. Wind up your tight pussy, pan a cocky ya. Long till it bend like banana. Wind up your tight pussy, pan a cocky ya. Long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in a every song corner. Wind up your tight pussy, pan a cocky ya. Long till it bend like banana. Your body good, me up it and coat it. Come in and make just so no ask about it. Wind up your body, make me give your team fit. The bed in the room, but no ask about it. Like you say, give me and give your girl, sit down on it. Open the bench and make me start it. But if it is a land, me I go park it. Let me put a carnation in the market. Wind up your tight pussy pan a cocky ya. Long till it bend like banana. Wind up your tight pussy pan a cocky ya. Long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me push it in every song corner. Wind up your tight pussy pan a cocky ya. Long till it bend like banana. Balance, go on your 2 pint, 2 pint and go.
Alright, you guys, I forgot to record me finishing my phone, but this is the final look. I would give my design probably a 6.5 out of 10. I don't know, I like it, but I think I'm gonna fill out these little parts with some little pieces. I'm gonna fill the rest out. I'm gonna finish doing it. Yes, it is on, you guys. This is my screensaver. Wait, thank you. And I'm about to let y'all hear my ringtone. Hold on. I'm about to quiet myself. It's so cute. Let's see. Y'all ready? Yes, so that's what's tea. I love it. I think that's so cute. And yeah.